Hi, this is Elizabeth, and this is my unboxing of the Birchbox. I actually have some add-ons in here, so this is going to be a bigger box. This is the Agust box. I believe these are the add-ons, so let's see what we have here. Okay, so here's the box. And I'm going to actually pause this for 1 minute while I open it. Okay, so this is the box. And this is the Agust box. I have a drag opening this up. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so this is the Agust box. As you can tell, it comes like this. So let's take a look and see what's inside. First thing you get is a card. Card says it's time to eke out every last bit of summer. So focus is on summer. This is a honey trick or treat series, and it is a concealer. And that is, looks like eyeshadow to me. It could be eyeshadow. I believe that's eyeshadow. This is some oil for your hair. Gives it a very nice shine to the hair. And this is a lip gloss. And these are some Aloe Rescue, kind of like cleanser washcloths for your face. Very, very nice. And this is weightless cream, rinse, and shampoo. So a lot of stuff in this box already, but as I mentioned, I included an add-on box, which is this one. And this add-on box includes skin and food mask, which is definitely something that I need. I like masks. Firming solution. And this is another mask. So this is kind of like the mask kit that I included, that I asked for. This is another mask. And this is also a mask. And this, I'm pretty sure, is a mask as well, because like I said, it was a mask kit. And then there's one last item, and you can bet it's a mask. So this Birchbox was really, really nice. Oh, actually, there was another mask right there. So what I got in the August one, to recap, was the weightless shampoo and conditioner, the Aloe Rescue Revitalizing Fiber Mask, some, to me, that could be a bronzer or eyeshadow. I'm not really sure. I can't read that. Lipstick or gloss, and concealer. So that is a really, really nice box. And this is basically a mask set, kit of everything that is masks. So, but remember, this is an add-on. It came separate. This costs $20. So this only costs $10. But for $10, you really get a lot. And I almost forgot the oil. That also came there. The argan oil to keep your hair nice and shiny. That also came in the for $10, that's a good deal. And if you want something extra, then you get the whatever add-on. I just happen to want a mask kit that costs $10 extra. Anyway, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think.